In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly sign in to the GoToMeeting app using your Google account and identity.goto.com service. This process ensures that your login is both secure and straightforward, allowing you to get started with your meetings quickly and efficiently. To begin, open the GoToMeeting app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure it's downloaded and installed so you're ready to follow along. Launching this app will be your first step into a more organized and streamlined meeting management experience. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by the sign-in screen. Here, enter your email address, ensuring it's the one associated with your GoTo account. This is a crucial step, as your email serves as your primary identifier to access all the features and benefits GoTo has to offer. After typing in your email correctly, click the Next button. This action will take you to the password entry phase. Enter your password in the provided field. Be meticulous in inputting your password, as accuracy is key to prevent any login issues. Once you've confirmed that your password is correct, click the Sign In button. This will initiate the process of connecting your credentials to the GoTo service, taking the authentication roles off your shoulders. At this point, you might be redirected to a web browser. Don't worry, this is completely normal and part of the secure login process. The web browser sign-in is an added layer of security, ensuring that your credentials are securely routed through Google's authentication system. If you're prompted again to enter your email address, do so and click Next. Follow this by entering your password once more. As before, the software will verify your credentials before confirming a successful login. Once you have successfully signed in via the browser, you'll see a confirmation message stating, "You've signed in. You're ready to go." You can close this tab now and switch back to the GoTo app. This confirmation is your cue that everything went smoothly and you're fully authenticated. Feel free to close the browser tab with confidence, knowing that your setup is complete. Now, return to the GoToMeeting app. You should see that you're already signed in and ready to begin organizing or joining meetings. Take a moment to explore the app's features and ensure that everything is functioning as expected. This platform is designed to make managing meetings more intuitive and less complicated. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and signed in to the GoToMeeting app using Google and identity.goto.com services. This secure approach not only protects your personal data, but also ensures that your access is reliably facilitated whenever you need it. Happy meeting, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.